So now that we have been able to place both of our paddles on our screen, we'll go and then we'll add in the ball and then the ball's movement. So you can see add ball and ball, ball movement like this. Yes, so basically what we're going to do is we're going to handle some physics, the position of the ball, the speed of our ball, and then we'll also update it, like we'll make it display on our screen. We'll create a function to do that. So let's get into it. So we see our ball position is equal to, yes. Now again, think of the true center of our screen, because ideally that's where we want to start. Ideally that's where we want our ball to show first. Yes, so think about what's going on here. We just slash our weight by 2 and our height by 2, and hopefully that's our true middle. Yes, and our ball radius, again I did some tinkering. You can see the version control indicators over the blue and stuff. Yes, so we say 10. I found that worked best. And also you can, what is our ball speed? Okay, yes, so we say our ball speed is equal to, let's give it 2. Think like x and y direction, or however you want to think about it. But we are giving it 2 values, and now we need a function to actually display our water ball. We say draw ball. And yes, now we are going to draw our balls with the positions that we have set to. I'm going to draw it at this position. That's the true center. And then we say Pygame. At this point, you know that we are going to draw, and then dot circle, not rectangle this time. Obviously, you can see the parameters over there: surface, color value, center, coordinate, and then radius. Okay, so our surface is our screen. Obviously, our color is white, and now we say our position 0. Now position 1, like this, and then lastly our ball radius, as you can see at the top there. Thank God for Visual Studio Code. One problem though, we need to cast these our positions as integers. So yes, if you don't want to run into any errors as we are moving, yeah, so that should do it. Yeah, that should do it. Yes, so even with this, let me call our draw ball over here, draw ball, and let's feed it ball position. Yes, now when we run this, though our ball movements and then collisions, why are we doing it in a game loop? Because we want it to be occurring on a loop. Like, really think about it. How's our ball going to move? Like, it has to be part of the loop. So we need 2 ball positions. No, this just a 0. And then our other position 1, I think. Yes, and then now we are going to just increment them by each other, if that makes any sense. So we say ball speed and 0. Yes. So think about it like we are applying whatever ball speed that we are giving. Whatever ball speed that we give, in this case, that's the 5, to the position, which will create the, I don't want to say illusion because it's actually happening, but you get the whole memo. And now we can handle collision with our walls. Now if our ball position at 0 is less than equal to our ball radius, or our ball position at 0 is greater than or equal to our width minus ball radius. We just add this to account for the true position. Let me see our ball speed. Again, our position 0 should be decremented by a factor of, let's say, factor because we are multiplying, of -1. Oh, Jesus Christ. Let's be decremented by what? -1. Yes. Now, if you need some explanation, let's see what I can tell you. Now think about it. If our ball position has exceeded our weight, this is our capital weight. Mind you, the weight of our whole game screen. Not a really good scenario. We just do this minus ball radius. This ball radius checks over here to see, try to account for true position and stuff. Yes, so that's what is going on over there. And now I think at this point you can run and then what's happening? What's happening? Nope, nope, nope. We did not do that. Did we, boys and girls? Yep. Yeah, so that's our ball moving, and then you see it's sinking over here. Okay, so I should add 1. Actually, no. Yes, so when it skips this our paddle, we want it to record a score. But on this side of things, I want it to be able to bounce over here. And then our goal is the only part where if it hits, we are going to be recording a score. Yes. So let me show us again. We have our ball bouncing now. Yes. Ideally, if we were moving, we would have caught it with our paddle end.